Hey everybody, it's Sharon Catano from Catano and Loeffler Realty Services. I'm having a really wonderful lunch today with, I'm going to call you Lady Gina, but it's not Lady Gina. This is Alla. Alla is an investor, and when I have these moments and opportunities to connect with other investors, particularly female investors, sorry guys, I love to take the opportunity to have a conversation. And can I talk to you about what you're up to? Because it's really exciting.
Yeah.
It's really, really great. So tell us a little bit about your background, your medical background. Tell us about you, just a little bit.
Yeah, my background is in the medical field. I graduated from medical school many years ago. I was bringing value to people's lives, saving their lives literally as a surgeon. And then I switched to public health because I realized that it's better to prevent rather than cut when it's too late. And then I realized and I learned that one of the most important social determinants of health is safe housing.
So Alla is an investor, and your most recent project, you've gotten into this, I mean, you're a doctor, and then you've come to Canada and you've now requalified as a nurse in our qualifications, realizing that's not for you, but realizing real estate is a path that you get to control exactly your days, your purpose, your passion, your future. And so this is something that you're just taking and absolutely running with it. So you've got a portfolio under your belt. What's your most recent purchase?
The most recent which is closed, it's a fourplex in Oshawa.
Okay.
And the one we are purchasing in February is a sevenplex in Coburg.
Okay.
Very exciting, has so many potential, which we're already bringing back. But I also wanted to say that it's not that nursing was not for me. I see the best I can do is in real estate, because I find that is the biggest upstream approach and influence that I can bring to the people's life before it's too late.
Yeah.
Before the child is born, his health is affected how he's born in a nice and beautiful apartment that we provide, that we renovated, that we made safe, and where we see those children grow healthy and happy.
That's incredible. So you're taking your past and you're bringing it into real estate, and
Yes.
it's just so much more than just the numbers and the investment.
Absolutely.
And I can tell for you, like, we've literally just met for the first time, and I can tell for you it's more about just the investment, the sheer numbers and growth and volume. It's about connecting and supporting. So
Absolutely. It's about our communities.
yeah, and specifically, and again, I'm sorry guys, but specifically for you and I think we do have the same passion about encouraging this in other women. Tell us about the Grey Club. You probably don't want this out there because it's small and you maybe don't want it to grow, but it might one day. So at this point, keep it exclusive.
Yes, most of the events of Grey Club are very close and have very limited amount of seats because we're very focused on deep conversations between women real estate investors, and no man is excluded because we didn't create Grey Club, a club where women could feel safe and supported, but we didn't create that to eliminate other sexes and genders. So everyone is welcome. But naturally, we have mostly women, but what they do in real estate is a wonder. What I see there is it's a wonder. It's a big power.
Yeah.
It's a big power machines.
Yeah.
They just happen to be very beautiful and graceful.
And what I loved about it was the action-taking quality of what you did. You wanted to surround yourself with people who were investing, so you literally created this, and the purpose to creating this for you was to get like-minded people together, to literally pick their brains and to take that home and to improve yourself, to share that, to improve other people as well. And if I can say one thing about the investment community in general, is that everybody is willing to share. If you simply step up and ask,
yes.
everybody is willing to share they're willing to share their time, they're willing to share what they know, whether that's through YouTube, and perhaps you'll start YouTube at some point and share what you know in that direction, but everybody's willing to share. So I'd love to encourage other people who are interested in investing, whether it's literally your first property or whether you're an experienced investor. If you want to connect, just reach out anytime. I'm happy to connect you, and we're going to tag Alla as well down below, and we'll make sure that we connect with other like-minded investors and women, but certainly not just women, like you said. So I feel like I'm going to slap myself on the wrist for saying that 3 times at this point. But yeah, if you've made it all the way to the end of this video, guys, you must have some interest. So again, reach out anytime. We're more than happy to connect, and hope you have an amazing day.